English Learning Network.
Let's go grocery shopping together and learn new English words in a fun way. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to my grocery store. How can I help you today? Good morning. Welcome to my grocery store. How can I help you today?
Can I get a bunch of bananas? Can I get a bunch of bananas?
Of course, here's a nice bunch. Anything else? Of course, here's a nice bunch. Anything else?
Do you have grapes? Do you have grapes?
Yes, a bunch of grapes is right here. Yes, a bunch of grapes is right here.
Great! I also need a loaf of bread. Great! I also need a loaf of bread.
Here's a fresh loaf of bread from the bakery section. Here's a fresh loaf of bread from the bakery section.
Perfect. Can I have a slice of cheese, please? Perfect. Can I have a slice of cheese, please?
Certainly. Here's a slice of cheese. Certainly. Here's a slice of cheese.
I'll take a carton of milk, too. I'll take a carton of milk, too.
1 carton of milk. Here you go. 1 carton of milk. Here you go.
Do you have eggs? Do you have eggs?
Yes, we sell a dozen eggs. Yes, we sell a dozen eggs.
Wonderful. I'll also buy a jar of jam. Wonderful. I'll also buy a jar of jam.
Here's a jar of strawberry jam. Here's a jar of strawberry jam.
I need some butter. I need some butter.
No problem. Here's a packet of butter. No problem. Here's a packet of butter.
That's all. How much is it? That's all. How much is it?
Your total is $18. Your total is $18.
Here's $20. Keep the change. Here's $20. Keep the change.
Thank you. That's very kind. Thank you. That's very kind.
You're welcome. See you next time. You're welcome. See you next time.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.